Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable game mode on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So every PC on Windows 11 features a function known as game mode. While game mode's purpose is to assist with smoothness and optimization of game performance for Windows 11. If you're having issues, it may be conflict with this setting. It change automatically. Perhaps enabling game mode may fix issue you are having with game on your PC. So how if you want to enable this feature? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open your settings. You can open your settings on your uh, laptop or PC. After that, from here, you can go to gaming. You can select on that. And you'll find there is an option game bar, captures, and also game mode. Because you want to enable the game mode, you can just select on that. So here's if your gaming mode is off, you can turn this on by clicking on the toggle in here. On It's very simple, right? And also in here on the gaming settings, you can manage your game bar. Like if you want to allow your controller to open game bar, you can enable this feature. Also the guide button and the shortcut. After that, you can set up your captures like the recording like this. It's very simple. So that is how to enable game mode on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.